Welcome to this BI Quick Tip. For more background on the BI tool, please visit our Help Files website.
In this video, we'll go over how to create a table in Power BI. This custom table is applicable for anyone who wants to create one directly in the application. Custom tables are small, so if you have a large amount of data for a big table, you should consider loading that from the Excel file or directly connecting to the source system. This video is mainly for developers. Let's start by showing an example of creating a custom table for sorting. With Power BI loaded up, we'll click on the icon over here to create a new table. In this pop-up window, we could insert columns or rows by clicking on the asterisks here. We'll start by changing the name of our first column by clicking and typing it in. Next, we'll add another column and label it as well. Then we'll add a few more rows and start filling out the data with any information we want to see. Just simply click on the row and begin typing in your data. When we are done, we'll give the table a name below. Once everything looks good, we'll click on Load to finish. We can see Power BI loading the table we made into the application, and you'll find your table under the field's header as well. Clicking on Data over here, we can see the table we made right away. This table will be used in our following quick tip to show custom sorting.
Thank you for watching this episode of the BI Quick Tips series. You can find all BI Quick Tip videos on the Help Files website. Until next time.